Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make Google Forms. So I've logged in to my Google already. So I will go down, press Drive. Then I will press New. You wouldn't see it right here, so you have to press More and then go to Forms. So Google Forms is basically a tool that you can use as far as surveys, questions, like study questions, surveys, So the title of my form, I'll put Kanice Forms Project. And for the description, I could just put anything. Alrighty, so right here, I can put a question and it'll have the options. So if you put your mouse over each of the icons, it'll let you know what it is. So you could customize it, preview the settings. You can add questions, import questions, add titles, images, videos, add section. So for this question, I'm gonna ask, what is your favorite color? So right here is giving me the option to see if it's a multiple choice, is the paragraph, short answer, check boxes, drop down, etc., etc. So for favorite color, I will put short answer. Why? Because it's a lot of colors in the color spectrum, and I wouldn't just put it in the multiple choice form. So that's one right there. Right here, you could put required. If it's a required answer to a required question to answer. You can show the description or the response validation right there. So I will add another question. So my second question would be, are vampires scary? Just doing a random question. So right here, I can do multiple choice. So for multiple choice, the first option will be yes. And then I can add another option, no. And the second one, I'll just put other. So yeah. So that, I also check out required also. And you can also look at the responses too. If you press response, you can look at the responses. So as far as this, you can send it. You can send it via email to anybody. You just do the link. You could copy the link and send it to people. So yeah, that's how you would share the Google Forms, and this is basically how you make it and how you will utilize it. So thank you for watching.